what's a two-wheeled adventure without some off-road riding? And we have today the newest entry-level ADV, the Made in India KTM 250 Adventure.
%90 of the time, you'll ride the KTM 250 Adventure on tarmac in the city and for touring on the highway. But the 10% of the time when you do decide to go off-road, we'll also talk about that. But overall, we'll talk about how is a new 250 Adventure as a do-it-all everyday motorcycle.
It may be the smallest KTM Adventure bike, but it still looks big and definitely has presence. The fairly large fuel tank is built to cover long distances, and the LCD display has all necessary readouts, and ABS on the rear wheel can be switched off. Overall, the dimensions are identical to its bigger sibling, the KTM 390 Adventure. And it has ample ground clearance, although the seat height could be a tad too tall for riders with a somewhat short stature.
The KTM 250 Adventure looks almost exactly like its bigger sibling, the 390 Adventure. That's because there's a lot of common with this bike. Cycle parts, the wheel, suspension, chassis, even the bodywork is shared with the 390 Adventure, but of course the colors are slightly different, and this one gets a halogen headlight while a 390 Adventure gets a full digital headlight. The instrument console, this one's a plain Jane LCD console while a 390 Adventure gets a full color TFT screen, and the handlebar, this one gets a steel handlebar while a 390 Adventure gets a aluminium handlebar. Of course the 390 Adventure has got better electronics as well, but this one looks the same, size is the same, and if you don't notice the 250 written on a tank, you could be fooled into believing this one is a 390 Adventure.
On the move, the 250 Adventure has an eager to rev engine. Acceleration is brisk without being over the top. And as long as the engine is kept spinning, the 250 Adventure's performance is adequate. While the firm suspension offers superb dynamics, it does feel a little stiff over road undulations.
The engine is quite likable, it's free revving, goes up to 9,500 RPM, and the best part is a surge of power beyond 7,000 RPM. But 6,000 RPM onwards, there's slight vibrations which creep in on the foot pegs and on the handlebar. Not a spot of bother if you're riding on a daily basis, but if you're covering hundreds of kilometers, those vibrations sitting on highway speeds will probably get to you. And for me, the performance is okay, but I would have preferred a little bit more performance to actually enjoy it a little bit more off-road. Suspension is taut and firm, so handling is superb, it stays planted even in the city while you're negotiating traffic. Steering is very light and nimble, so it's very manageable as an everyday bike. But that tight suspension, if you're going over a bad road for several kilometers on end, it becomes slightly uncomfortable.
Designed to make adventure riding more accessible, even to less experienced riders, the KTM 250 Adventure is otherwise a likable motorcycle. As long as you keep the engine on the boil, it's enjoyable even, and can very well become a do-it-all motorcycle for the daily commute, long highway rides, and even the occasional off-road excursion. A taller handlebar could have helped riding off-road better, and some more punch from the engine definitely would have been welcome.
So is a 250 Adventure a good bike? Most certainly yes, very enjoyable bike, very nice. The engine revs freely, you can ride it for hours on end, you can use it as a daily commute, you can go long rides on it, and you can very well start off-road riding with it if that's the kind of riding you want to do. The problem with the 250 Adventure is the pricing. At 2,48,000 ex-showroom Delhi, you still get a 250cc motorcycle, and just for 10,000 more, you get the KTM 390 Duke if performance and bragging rights is what you're looking for.
It's still a slightly expensive proposition, but otherwise the 250 Adventure ticks all the right boxes to be a versatile adventure bike. It may not be perfect, but it still offers a good blend of performance and all-round capability for the newbie adventure rider.